I am so looking forward to breakfast this morning because we're having poached eggs on avocado, Sussex sourdough seeded bread, and we're going to cook the poached eggs with this awesome egg poacher, egg boiling device or machine from Home of Brands on the TikTok shop. This thing is absolutely fantastic. If you haven't seen it already, it's brilliant. I use it all the time. Now for poaching, you just put 60 mils of water in the provided measuring cup, pop that in the base just like that, put the tray back in, and then put your eggs for poaching on top of there. Now this is the interesting bit, because now, and it always goes wrong when you do this on camera, I'm going to break 2 eggs into these little trays. So here we go. First egg, and there it goes. Nice, didn't break that one. Second egg, great, didn't break either egg, and there's no shells in the egg. Once you've put your eggs on the tray, you simply put the dome on the top and then switch it on here. That's it. All you need to do now is wait for your poached eggs to be ready, and that's what we'll do. So I'll be right back. And now our poached eggs are ready. As you saw there, I just put the avocado on the toast. Let me take the lid off. I'm just going to give the avocado a little drizzle with some chili oil. There you go, nice drizzle of chili oil. Right, just going to run the knife around the eggs. Don't forget to be careful when you're doing this. Steam has been involved. Right, take the eggs off, stop them cooking. We're just going to flop this out. Bosh. There you go, there's one, and the next one. Oh, doesn't that look good already? Now, pepper. And that right there is one of my favourite breakfasts. Look at that. Right, let's just cut into one of these. Nice and soft. If you want them runny, you just put less water in the measuring jug. But that is perfect for me with this breakfast. If you want to grab one of these awesome egg cookers, I'll pop it in the basket just down there. All you got to do is tap the yellow basket right there, right now, place your order, be winging its way to you ASAP. With that said, I'm going to dive into my delicious Sunday morning breakfast, and I'll catch you later. Bon appetit.